Is it any wonder that back in the 70s, so many Americans thought we Canadians were still living in igloos? Here it is, April 18, 2022. And instead of apple blossoms and cherry blossoms and beautiful green grass, we have this freak snowstorm. But then I shouldn't complain, because back in the 60s, in the first week of June, we had about this much snow dump all over the farmers' fields, and the farmers panicked that we were going to lose our crops. And well, we survived that one, so we'll survive this one. Happy Easter!